Hello dear friends, we are Shandong Lincoln Industry Group. This is our newly manufactured Agriglobe 160 horsepower tractor. This tractor will use 14.9 26-inch front tire, YTO 6-cylinder diesel engine, air brake, and 18.4 38-inch rear tire. There are 3 groups of hydraulic output valves to work with farm implements. The 3-point linkage is enhanced 3-point linkage. The PTO is double-speed PTO with the speed of 760 or 850 rounds per minute. Here is an external electric charge. The fuel tank is enlarged fuel tank so that you can work more time on your farm. This is our luxurious air conditioner cabin. The tractor is 16 front and 8 rear gear shifts. And here is a 360-degree reversing image. In this cabin, we prepared a cup for you, and user menu and parts catalog. If you are interested in our tractors, please contact us.